Hey guys, Dallas here from Dunn & Watson, just showing you our tilting jerry cans. So this is a Dunn & Watson designed and made product. It's made from 3mm aluminium. It's all welded together, so it's nice and strong, robust product. Rear fixing hinges, so there's plenty of security from even the hinge system. The product itself is designed with 2 over-center fasteners, which is released like so. Just firstly, I'll show you that they are also padlocking. So a padlock through this, or both, would mean that you're unable to open this latch, which is going to keep your fuel or water inside secure. But we'll just release that one as well. Tilts down, so imagine you're on an elevated height on the back of your canopy. I can easily put my jerry can in and out. You have a lanyard inside here as well. That's a stopper, so that's going to control the tilt of it. So it's not going to come at you, it's going to stop at that point. For install, you would also remove the can, tilt it forward, and it's going to expose this mounting plate on the rear. So nice and easy to put in. And you'll also see there's outlets on both sides. And that means that you could both feed a tap in or have a tap out from this location here, making it easy to get water from it and keep it locked if you like. So there you have it, the Dunn & Watson tilting jerry cans. If you have any questions though, please give us a call or flick us an email.